Hello everyone. It's Alina from Polygon Squad. Today we are going to create a material that generates random colors every time you duplicate the object. So let's go to Blender and see how to create this material. First go to Shade Editor. Press Shift and the keys and type Object Info. Then we need Hue Saturation node. Now you can connect this to the hue value. Connect this to the diffuse color. Change this color to any color you like. Now you can see, if we duplicate the object, every duplicate we made have a random color. This is very useful, because you don't need to create different material for each object. Now let's see how to add a texture to this. First we can add Image Texture node. But we can't connect it like this. So let's create RGB Mix node. Now you can connect both of them. You can change the hue value to have very similar colors. Also you can change the mode to multiply. You can add a curve and change the color as you like. So now you can create random color object very easily. That's all for today. See you in next video.